Hello, I welcome you all. Today I am going to briefly talk about computer graphics subject. First of all we discuss about computer graphics curriculum means how many topics we will cover in this whole semester. After the completion of the subject, we will able to get the different course outcome. And then after that, in this computer graphics subject, marking system is which marking system? In this curriculum, the computer graphics subject marking system is divided into two parts. There are two parts, theory and the practical. In this theory, there are end semester and progressive assessment. End semester and progressive assessment. The end semester is 70 marks and the progressive assessment is 30 marks. Project marks end semester means written theory paper. End semester means written theory paper, there are 70 marks, and the progressive assessment there are project marks. The total marks is 100 marks. And then after that, the practical section. In this practical section, there is also end semester and the prelim. End semester there's term work is 25 marks and the progressive assessment is 25 marks and the practical marks total is 50 marks. The whole grand total is 150 marks. Then after that we will practical session. After that, which course outcome we will getting after which course outcome we will get. There are 6 course outcome we will able to get. First one is manipulate visual and geometric info images. Then second one is implement standard algorithm to draw various graphics objects using C program. Third one is use projection of visualized object on view plane. Fourth, develop program for 2D and 3D transformation. Fifth one is implement various clipping algorithm. And sixth one is develop programs to create curves using algorithm. After that, there are in this computer graphics subject there are 5 topics. First topic name is basic of computer graphics. In this basic of computer graphics, there are weightages. In this topic, weightage is 8 marks. We will cover in this topic. Here is topics we will cover. The first topic is image and object. Means basic points means image, object, pixel resolution, pipeline, bitmap, vector-based graphics. Second one is display devices. Which are the display devices? LED, LCD display, plasma and touch screen. Then third one is output primitive means polygon and markers. Fourth one is graphics functions and standard. Which graphics function we will get the graphics functions, and there are standards in graphics. Which functions graphics we have provided after these pictures and images displayed. And then fifth point is which fifth one latest trends in computer graphics. Then second topic is raster scan graphics. In raster scan graphics, in this topic we will learn different algorithms. Which algorithms? DDA algorithms, brainscan algorithms, circle generating algorithms, and the polygons, and the scan conversion and character generation method. By using this algorithm, we draw a circle or line in a computer using C programming. And polygon fillings means what? Polygon fillings means the solid pictures or the rectangles and circle fill by using polygon filling. Okay. Then this topic weightage is 18 marks. After that, the third topic is overview of transformation. In this topic we will cover the 2D transformation and 3D transformation and matrix representation. The topic weightage is 18 marks. Fourth topic is windowing and clipping. Windowing and clipping concept. Clipping means remove the part of image which are not used. Means जो पार्ट आपल्याला यूज करायचं नाही आहे तो रिमूव्ह करून टाकायचा म्हणजेच क्लिपिंग करायचा. ओके. देन which points we will cover in this topic? Windowing and clipping, and then line clipping, polygon clipping, text clipping. Then weightage of this topic, the fourth topic is 14 marks. Fifth topic name is introduction to curves. In this topic we will cover the curve generation and types of the curves. Which are type of the curves? Bezier curves and the B-spline curves. Okay. The weightage of this topic is 12 marks. After each and every topic, after completion of each and every topic, we will get the unit outcomes. Here we see that the first chapter unit outcome is 4, then the second unit outcome is 5, then the third unit outcome is 4, then the fourth unit outcome is 5, and the 5 chapter the unit outcome is 4. Means each and every topic we will get the unit outcome. प्रत्येक टॉपिक मधून आपल्याला युनिट आउटकम्स मिळणार आहेत. ओके. देन आफ्टर दॅट वी विल ब्रीफली डिस्कस द फर्स्ट चॅप्टर डिटेल्स. ओके. Before that, the definition of computer graphics. Computer graphics means what? Computer graphics means it is an art of drawing pictures, lines, charts, etc. on computer screen by using programming language. Means प्रोग्रॅमिंग लँग्वेजचा यूज करून आपण एखादा पिक्चर, लाईन्स किंवा एखादा चार्ट आपण ड्रॉ करू शकतो बाय यूजिंग सी प्रोग्रॅमिंग. देन the computer graphics involve display manipulation, storage of picture for proper visualization by using computer. Means युजरला एखादा पिक्चर व्यवस्थित दिसावा, प्रॉपर व्हिज्युअलायझेशन व्हावा, त्यासाठी कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्सचा यूज केला जातो. These computer graphics interact with the user with the help of pictures and the charts, etc. Then after that, which are the advantages of computer graphics? First advantage is high quality graphic display on PC. Second one, provides tools to produce the picture. Third one is produce animation. Fourth one, using motion dynamic tool, user can make objects stationary and the viewer moving around. Fifth one, using update dynamic, it is possible to change the shape, color or other properties of the object. Means advantages is what? ॲडव्हान्टेजेस म्हणजे त्याचे फायदे काय आहेत? तर कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स आपण हाय क्वालिटीचे पिक्चर्स सी करू शकतो कम्प्युटरमधून, किंवा प्रोव्हाइड्स तो एक आपल्याला टूल प्रोव्हाइड करतो जेणेकरून आपण तो पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस करू शकू किंवा पिक्चर जनरेट करू शकू. देन आफ्टर दॅट हिअर द फर्स्ट पॉईंट इज इमेज अँड ऑब्जेक्ट. Image and object means it is a graphical representation of the picture by measuring the color at predefined set of location. Means here we see that this picture is having a different colors and it is a set of location, usually a grid. Image may be the 2D or 3D. Means here we see that this image is 2D and this is a 3D. Means here we convert is also easy to convert the 2D to 3D. Means before I told that the overview of transformation, the third topic is in this third topic we will cover this point, 3D transformation and 2D transformation. Here we see that the 2D is converted to the 3D. Okay. Then image based means it is a बेसिकली इट इज अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ अ पिक्चर. म्हणजे एखादा पिक्चर आपण कसं रिप्रेझेंट करतो आणि तो डिफरंट कलर्समध्ये आपण कसं दाखवतो हे जे आहे ते म्हणजे इमेज बेस्ड रिप्रेझेंटेशन. ओके. देन दिस वन इज द ऑब्जेक्ट बेस्ड. ऑब्जेक्ट बेस्ड मीन्स object based graphic represent the picture by describing the object in the picture in a mathematical way. For example, I might list the 2D things. The number and position of this object can vary. Mathematical way means the picture represents the circles and the lines in a mathematical forms. These lines and circle, the user know how to interact with this graphical images or graphical pictures or these circles and lines. Okay. Computer graphics is most effective and commonly used way to communicate the result to the user. Means one of the application of computer graphics is user interface. The user interface means what? User easily interact or user easily communicate to the graphics, computer graphics. In a way, it is a way of communication to the graphics or to the images, pictures. Okay, it displays the information in the form of graphics object such as pictures, charts, graphs and diagrams. Here the definition of computer graphics, as I told, that is an art of drawing pictures on computer screens with the help of programming. It involves computations, creations and manipulation of data. Means in the simple language, the definition of computer graphics means what? It is an image that are generated by computer are called as computer graphics. By using a programming language, we have to generate or we have to create a image or a picture in a computer is known as the computer graphics, and this involves the computations, creation and manipulation of data. Okay, then here is the second point. Second point name is the pixel and resolution. Pixel means what? Pixel is the image that is displayed on the screen, is composed of thousands of small dots. These are called as a pixel. Means pixel is a single point in a graphic image. Graphics monitors display pictures by dividing the display screen into thousands of pixels arranged in a row and column. In a simple language, the pixel means what? The pixel means it's the smallest addressable part of a computer screen. Okay, pixel is stored as a binary code representing a color. Each pixel is having a different color. प्रत्येक पिक्सेलचे त्याचे ओन कलर्स असतात. और the pixel are combined to form a complete image. If the pixel is combined, then form a complete image or a complete picture. Then it depends on the graphics card and display monitor. Okay, the quantity and the size and the color combination of pixel varies and is measured in the terms of display resolution. Okay, then this pixel is arranged in a row or column way is known as the raster. Means this is another word is the resolution. Means pixel is in the pixel per inch or dot per inch. Pixel per inch means what? It is a PPI display resolution, and dot per means what? Printer resolution. Okay, the another term is the here is the pixel. Here we can see that this is the pixel. Means this is pixel is arranged in a horizontal or the vertical manner. Okay, this 5 is a horizontal and this 5 is a vertical. Means arranged in a horizontal and vertical manner, the pixel is known as the address of pixel. Each box is represent our picture, and this is the another pixel, this is the another pixel, and this the combination of pixel is forms a whole image or the whole pictures. whole picture. Then another point is the resolution. As I told that the pixel means horizontal and vertical line combined and or in a total number of count of pixel in a digital image is known as the pixel resolution. Here is the resolution means what the number of pixel on the screen. The resolution can be defined in many ways, such as the pixel resolution, spatial resolution, etc., out of which we are going to discuss the pixel resolution. In a pixel resolution, the term resolution refers to the total number of count of pixel in an digital image. Here is the the pixel is the number of pixel on the screens. The resolution can be defined in many ways, such as the pixel resolution. In the pixel resolution, here is the example of the pixel resolution. If an image has m rows and the n columns, then its resolution can be defined as m into n. In a computer setting, you have monitor resolution of 800 and into 600. As I told that the pixel resolution is the formula of the pixel resolution is the pixel per inch, means PPI, means resolution is count per pixel is known as the pixel per inch, and the dot per inch means printer resolution. Here is the second point is the aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means what is the ratio between width of an image and the height of an image. Example 4:3 means here is the width of the image, and this is the height of the image. This width and height is combined, then this is the aspect ratio. Means suppose width is 9 and the height is 8, then the aspect ratio is 9:8. Okay, then here is the pixel and resolution. 640 into 480 is known as the 640 means horizontal and 480 means vertical. Means horizontal into vertical columns, horizontal row and the vertical columns combined as the resolution. Okay, here is a different resolution you can see. The third point is the text mode and the graphics mode. When you start the program under MS-DOS, text or character mode is displayed, and when you start the program under Windows graphics mode, text mode is a computer display mode in which content is internally represented on a computer screen in terms of character rather than individual pixel. म्हणजेच काय तर टेक्स्ट मोड इज ए कम्प्युटर डिस्प्ले मोड आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये कंटेंट जे आहे ते इंटरनली रिप्रेझेंटेड होतात ऑन ए कम्प्युटर स्क्रीन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कॅरेक्टर, नॉट द इमेज. In the text mode, we cannot draw the image in the text mode. Okay, we only draw the images, and we only draw a text, or we only draw a character in a grid view. Each character is a म्हणजे प्रत्येक कॅरेक्टरचे त्याची स्वतःची साईज असतात आणि ती साईज हे फिक्स असते आणि त्या साईजनुसार ते कॅरेक्टर किंवा ते टेक्स्ट अरेंज केली जातात. इन टेक्स्ट मोड इच बॉक्स कॅन कंटेन वन कॅरेक्टर. प्रत्येक टेक्स्ट मोडमध्ये इच बॉक्स म्हणजे प्रत्येक बॉक्स ओनली वन कॅरेक्टर कंटेन करतो. ओके, देन हिअर इज द ग्राफिक्स मोड. And one thing is that text mode application communicate with the user with command line interface and the text user interfaces. Text mode contrasts with the graphics mode. Text mode exactly opposite of the graphics mode. In the text mode we can draw the text or we can draw the character. In the graphics mode we can draw only images, draw picture, Graphics mode. Pixel is the smallest unit of digital image in which we can draw any 2D or 3D object. We cannot draw the text or character in this graphics mode. In the text mode, there we draw the text or character. Does not allow the graphics. Does not allow the draw the graphics 2D or 3D image. Okay. Next point is the 1.4 basic graphics pipeline. A computer graphics pipeline, rendering pipeline, or simply graphics pipeline is a conceptual model that describes what step a graphics system needs to perform to render a 3D skin to a 3D skins. Means कम्प्युटर पाईपलाईन ही एक अशी पाईपलाईन आहे, एक अशी प्रोसेस आहे जी आपल्याला सांगते की जी आपल्याला सांगते की हाऊ टू कन्वर्ट दिस 3D स्क्रीन टू ए 2D screen. Okay. Then rendering is what? Rendering is also used to describe the process of calculating effect in a video editing file to produce a final video output. Means रेंडरिंग ही अशी एक प्रोसेस आहे जी आपल्याला 3D इमेजेस फायनल करायच्या आधी त्याच्यामध्ये जे इफेक्ट्स घातले जातात किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये जे मेथड वापरले जाते दॅट मीन्स द रेंडरिंग. मीन्स बिफोर द फायनल व्हिडिओ डिस्प्ले देर आर इफेक्ट्स आर अप्लाइड. ओके. हियर वन पिक्चर इज you can see this picture. Okay, this picture of rendering. This is the origin picture and this is the 3D picture. Okay, then rendering means what? This is original picture, convert the original picture into 3D picture, or we can also convert the 3D picture into 2D. Then one more definition of rendering is in image editing. Rendering would mean the creation of final image along with all the modification and effects applied on it from the origin image. म्हणजे एखादा ओरिजिनल इमेज बनवण्याच्या आधी त्याच्यामध्ये व्हेरियस इफेक्ट्स ॲड टू द व्हेरियस इफेक्ट or methods before the original image displayed. Okay, this is called as rendering image. Then once a 3D model created, video game or animation, the graphics pipeline is a process of turning the 3D model into what the computer display. म्हणजे एकदा का एखादा 3D मॉडेल क्रिएट झाल्यानंतर तो आपल्याला कम्प्युटरवरती कसा डिस्प्ले होणार आहे किंवा कम्प्युटरवरती कसा दिसणार आहे, तर त्याची ही 4 प्रोसेस आहेत. तर दिस वन इज द 4 प्रोसेस और 4 मेथड्स you can say. First method or first process is the application. Okay, in this application the application step is executed by software on the main processor CPU. Okay, application process ही main CPU पासून स्टार्ट होणार आहे आणि हे एक मेन प्रोसेसर आहे. in this application step changes are made to the scene as required, for example by user interaction by means of computer devices or during an animation. म्हणजे एखादं ॲनिमेशन करायच्या आधी किंवा एखादं इनपुट डिव्हाइस डिस्प्ले व्हायच्या आधी त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही क्रिएशन किंवा जे काही चेंजेस मेड करायचे आहेत, जे काही चेंजेस घालायचे आहेत आपण त्याच्यामध्ये, तर ते आपल्याला ॲप्लिकेशनद्वारे दिसणार आहे. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द जिओमेट्री. The geometry step, which is responsible for the majority of the operation with polygon and their vertices, can be divided into following tasks. Okay, geometry अशी एक स्टेप आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण कन्वर्ट करू शकतो. एखादा कोऑर्डिनेट्स किंवा एखादा व्हर्टेक्स असेल तर तो व्हर्टेक्स किंवा तो ऑब्जेक्ट आपण कन्वर्ट करतो. ओके, कोऑर्डिनेट्स डिस्क्राइब द पॉइंट्स 3D पोजिशन इन ए कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम विथ बेसिक वेक्टर्स x, y, z and origin O. Convert object coordinate into camera coordinate. Okay, then geometry means what? The geometry means we can convert the image into a different points, and this point is the at these points. Suppose the basic vectors is x, y, z and the origin is O. Then these x, y, z points are combined in a geometry process. Okay. Then the third point is the here geometry process. Here you can see the geometry process. In the geometry process there are the 5 different parts. First is the model and view transformation, second one is vertex shading and illumination, third projection, fourth clipping, fifth screen mapping. Okay. Then आता मी जसं सांगितलं की जिओमेट्री हा एक असा एक प्रोसेस आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण ऑब्जेक्ट्स असतात आणि ते ऑब्जेक्ट्स कंबाईन केले जातात. The next step is in the geometry. This is the model and view transformation is the first. Then the projection. In the projection in a computer graphics means the transformation of 3D area in a 2D area. Okay, it converts projection and lighting. ओके. प्रोजेक्शन ह्याच्यामध्ये अनेक पार्ट असतो जो लाइटिंग असतो. प्रोजेक्शन अँड लाइटिंग मीन्स व्हॉट? प्रोजेक्शन इन ए कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स मीन्स द ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ 2D एरिया इन ए 3D एरिया इन ए 2D एरिया. मीन्स आपण 2D जो एरिया आहे तो ट्रान्सफॉर्म करणार आहे 2D मध्ये. ओके. लाइटिंग मीन्स व्हॉट? It convert each vertex into 2D screen position and lighting means may be applied to determine its color. Lighting काय अप्लाय करतो? तो व्हेरियस कलरमध्ये आपल्याला दिसण्यासाठी, तो एक प्रॉपर व्हिज्युअलाइज व्हावं युजरना, त्यासाठी आपण लाइटिंग प्रोसेस ही केली जाते. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्लिपिंग. इन दिस clipping means what? This removes the part of the image that are not visible in the 2D screen view, such as backside of object or area that the application and Windows viewport transformation is applied. Means here is the clipping means what? जो पार्ट आपल्याला कम्प्युटरवरती डिस्प्ले करायचा आहे तोच पार्ट आपण डिस्प्ले करायचा. म्हणजे समजा मी 3D मधून 2D मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा आहे. जो 3Dचा पार्ट आपल्याला नेमका दाखवायचा आहे, डिस्प्ले करायचा आहे स्क्रीनवरती, तोच फक्त पार्ट आपण तो ठेवायचा आणि अदर पार्ट काय करणार आहे? क्लिपिंगमध्ये रिमूव्ह करणार आहे. मीन्स रिमूव्ज द पार्ट ऑफ द इमेज दॅट आर नॉट व्हिजिबल इन ए 2D स्क्रीन. जो पार्ट आपल्याला नाही डिस्प्ले करायचा किंवा नाही दाखवायचा त्या 2D स्क्रीनमध्ये, तो पार्ट आपण काय करणार आहे? रिमूव्ह करणार आहे. दिस नोन ॲज द क्लिपिंग. ओके. देन the fourth point is in the next step of the geometry is the window viewport transformation. In the window viewport transformation, by defining a closed boundary or windows, the enclosed portion of a world coordinate scene is clipped against a window boundary and the data of the clipped portion is extracted for mapping to a separately defining region known as the viewport. Okay. मी एक तुम्हाला इमेज दाखवते. ती इमेज आहे viewport. This image is a viewport. You can see that this image is the window and this is the viewport. म्हणजे जो पोर्शन आपल्याला दाखवायचा आहे तो फक्त आपण ह्या व्ह्यूपोर्टमध्ये तो आपल्याला डिस्प्ले होणार स्क्रीनवरती. ओके. देन the next point is the rasterization. In the rasterization, image described in a vector graphic is converted into raster image for output on a video display or printer or for storage in bitmap file format. इन ए रास्टरायझेशन म्हणजे काय? तर रास्टरायझेशन म्हणजे आपण तो जो इमेज आहे तो पिक्सेलमध्ये कन्वर्ट होऊन तो जो इमेज आहे तो डिस्प्ले होणार आहे स्क्रीनमध्ये. म्हणजेच काय? इमेज डिस्क्राईब इन ए व्हेक्टर ग्राफिक कन्वर्टेड इन रास्टर इमेज. म्हणजे जो इमेज आहे तो हॉरिझॉन्टल इंटू व्हर्टिकल फॉर्मॅटमध्ये पिक्सेलमध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार, तो डिस्प्ले होणार आपल्याला स्क्रीनवरती. देन हिअर इज द means The rasterized image may then displayed on computer display, video display or printer. However, rasterization is simply the process of computing the mapping from scene geometry to pixel. Then rasterization may refer to a technique of drawing 3D model or conversion of 2D rendering primitives such as polygons, line segment into the rasterized format. And here this one is the application. Then geometry in the geometry there are 5 points: projection, clipping, screen mapping. Then rasterization means converted into the pixel shading and then display the 2D image to the screen. Then in this session we have learned which point we have learned the definition of computer graphics, curriculum of the computer graphics, then image and object means what? Image means it is a graphical representation of picture. Then object based means in a mathematical way मध्ये तो डिस्क्राइब केला जातो इमेज आपल्याला. त्यानंतर कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स मीन्स व्हॉट? कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स हा एक आर्ट आहे जो आपल्याला पिक्चर ड्रॉ करायचा आहे स्क्रीनवरती विथ द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके, असा पिक्चर ड्रॉ करायचा आहे जो यूजरला इंटरफेस व्हावा किंवा यूजरशी इझिली इंटरॅक्ट व्हावा असा पिक्चर आपल्याला ड्रॉ करायचा आहे बाय यूजिंग द सी प्रोग्रामिंग इज नोन ॲज द कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स. Then second point is the pixel and resolution. Pixel means what? As I told that the pixel is the small dot of a picture, means whole picture, the combined of the few pixel we form a whole picture. Okay, and each one can a different color and brightness. Resolution means what? Resolution means there are the resolution can be defined in many ways. The pixel resolution, total number of count of pixel in digital image is known as the resolution. Then aspect ratio means what? Aspect ratio means width and height, width as height, means ratio between the width of the image and the height of the image is known as aspect ratio. Here is the pixel and resolution. Then third point we discuss the text mode and graphics mode. In the text mode we cannot draw the images, we only draw a text or a character. And this text mode in a personal computer display divides कसं केलं जातं ते 25 rows and 80 columns in order to display text without images. फक्त टेक्स्ट आपल्याला 25 rows and 80 columns हे जे आहे ते फिक्स आहे, तो स्क्रीनमध्ये आपल्याला डिवाइड केला जातो. देन ग्राफिक्स मोडमध्ये फक्त आपण काय करणार आहे, टेक्स्ट न घालता तो ग्राफिक्समध्ये डिस्प्ले करणार 2D मध्ये किंवा 3D मध्ये. देन बेसिक ग्राफिक पाईपलाईनमध्ये काय करणार आहे तर रेंडरिंग वापरलं जाते, ज्यामध्ये जेणेकरून आपण काय करतो तर 3D जो इमेज आहे तो 2D मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा असू दे किंवा ओरिजिनल इमेजचा 3D मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा असू दे, तर ह्या प्रोसेससाठी आपण रेंडरिंगचा यूज करतो. आणि रेंडरिंग म्हणजे काय? रेंडरिंग हा प्रोसेस आहे, ही एक प्रोसेस आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण इमेज जनरेट करतो फ्रॉम ए मॉड्यूल बाय मीन्स ए प्रोग्राम. Okay, then there are few steps of the basic pipeline. ही एक प्रोसेस आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये 4 स्टेप्स आहेत. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द ॲप्लिकेशन, सेकंड इज जिओमेट्री, रास्टरायझेशन अँड स्क्रीन. ओके, पहिल्यांदा आपण ॲप्लिकेशन म्हणजे जो इमेज आपल्याला 2D मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा आहे तो ॲप्लिकेशनद्वारा आपण पुढे पाठवतो जिओमेट्रीमध्ये. मग जिओमेट्री काय करतो तर जिओमेट्री जे पॉईंट्स असतात तो काय करतात ते कंबाईन करतात आणि त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोजेक्शन वापरलं जातं, क्लिपिंग वापरलं जातं. मग प्रोजेक्शन म्हणजे काय तर प्रोजेक्शन हे एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आपण करू शकतो. प्रोजेक्शन म्हणजे काय, एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनचा एक पार्ट आहे जो काय करतो 3D एरियाचा कन्वर्ट करतो 2D एरियामध्ये. मग क्लिपिंगमध्ये काय आहे, तर क्लिपिंगमध्ये जो विजिबल पार्ट आपल्याला दाखवायचा आहे किंवा डिस्प्ले करायचा आहे स्क्रीनवरती, तो आपण बाय युजिंग क्लिपिंग काय करू शकतो, दाखवू शकतो. मग आता व्ह्यूपोर्ट म्हणजे काय, तर विंडोज व्ह्यूपोर्ट ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनमध्ये काय करणार आहे आपण, जो टार्गेट एरिया आपल्याला खरोखरच दाखवायचा आहे, म्हणजे मी जसं मगाशी जो इमेज दाखवला तुम्हाला हा आहे हिअर, विंडोज पोर्ट आणि व्ह्यूपोर्ट. म्हणजे विंडोजमध्ये हे जे विंडोज आहे आणि जो पार्ट आपल्याला विंडोमध्ये किंवा जो पार्ट आपल्याला टार्गेट एरियावरती बघायचा आहे तोच पार्ट आपण व्ह्यूपोर्टवरती दाखवणार आहोत. आणि जो काही अदर पार्ट आहे तो काय करणार आहे, आपण रिमूव्ह करणार आहोत. ओके, देन रास्टरायझेशन मीन्स व्हॉट, दिस target area picture is converted into pixel and this pixel is displayed into the our screen or displayed into the our printer. then display which display areas आहेत आपले, प्रिंटर असू दे किंवा व्हिडिओ डिस्प्ले असू दे, रास्टर इमेज असू दे, तो डिस्प्ले आपल्याला होणार आहे. ओके, थँक्यू फॉर लिसनिंग दिस. इफ एनी डाऊट देन प्लीज कॉन्टॅक्ट मी. थँक्यू सो मच. ओके.